So keep going until you fill it up.
Yeah, you need to fill
I can't see, so just tell me when I get to the top, okay, Emma?
Okay. Hi everybody, my channel. Welcome back, Emma TV Squad.
Guys, if you're new to All Emma TV, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Tell them what you're going to be doing today, Emma.
We're going to open LOLs.
So Emma got this LOL Surprise Color Change Lip Gloss Set. So mix and create fun flavor lip gloss. This is how the box look. Surprise inside. Mix and create fun flavor lip gloss.
Mama just excited to open this.
Back. They got knee on. Knee cutie. What is that knee? Oh, cutie.
Lean.
What?
Lean.
Lean is no, it's knee.
Lip balm.
It's from ages 5 and up. Ooh, Emma, this is not for you.
Actually, it is for me.
Who they got on the box, Emma?
It's got this one up there.
That's Rocker.
That is Rocker.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't know what is this one.
Oh yeah, and that's Neon Cutie. That's Rocker and Diva. We never had her, so we don't know her name. So
Yeah.
wait, Emma, give me the box. So if you know her name, you could comment down below. Comment down below and let us know. You ready to open it, Emma?
Yeah, I just want to open it. Okay.
No, it's open already. Daddy kind of open it. So come here.
Oh. I can't see my reflection. This is just stand. It's a stand.
You see? Pass it so you can pick up the box. So Emma said this is the instruction. It comes with. This tell you how to make the lip gloss.
That's it.
Okay, so it comes with two lip balm container, 1 tube of color changing lip gloss base, 2 flavor droppers. You get a stick and you get 1 sheet of stickers. You got it, Emma?
I got the stickers.
Ooh, the stickers are so tiny. So guys, we got this from Five Below if you want to go purchase it. Ooh, Emma, you're too strong.
Guys, it has 2 lip gloss containers. This is a blue, this is blue color, and this is different flavors.
So it comes with 2 containers. What's the 2 lip gloss container it comes with?
It's come with blue, pink, my favorite color,
And what else?
and this one.
That's the flavoring.
This is
So what color is that? That's cherry.
This is cherry, and this one is blueberry,
And what is this?
and this one is, I don't know.
Yeah, I know. This one is the gloss base.
A gloss base.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
And what else?
It's come with a spoon.
Where's the spoon? You lost it?
It's right there.
Oh, right in my face. Yes.
Here the spoon. Here the spoon.
Okay, so let's get started.
So guys, we're going to use the lip balm thingy with the base.
So first you gotta fill up the lip. Ooh, jeez. Fill up the lip
Lip balm thingy.
no, the container. The container with the base.
Yeah.
Go, Emma.
Yeah. It's got all over the table.
Let me go. Let me put it for you.
Yeah.
Come. So keep going until you fill it up.
Yeah. You need to fill
I can't
all
see,
up.
so just tell me when I get to the top, okay, Emma?
Okay. Need to put all in there. This going
No,
to take a long time.
You don't need to put all in there.
Okay, You're done. You're done now.
Wait, you gotta put some more.
Yeah.
So this one we're gonna do the single color.
Yeah.
Wait, Emma. Okay, I think this is good. It's full to the top.
Look at that pink.
Alright, close that. And now step 2.
We need to
Choose your color, Emma. Blueberry or cherry?
I already picked this one.
Okay, so she want blue. So you gotta put 3 to 5 drop. 3 to 5 drop. Let me do it, cause I'm gonna make a big mess. Okay.
I'm going to help you, Mommy.
That's great. Let it drop in there. That's 1, 2, 3. You wanna put 5? Alright, that's it.
Okay, now
And I'll mix it until it turns blue. Slowly, Emma, so you don't spill it, okay?
What? It's already turned blue.
Wait, because you're gonna spill it. Wait.
You're gonna spill it.
I'm not. But you have to make sure you mix it well, or it will not.
And then that.
Ooh, it smells so good, guys. I wish you could smell it. Do it smell like blueberry, Emma?
So now we're done mixing it. Now we're going to cover it and put stickers. This is hard to close it. So guys, this is the stickers. Now we're going to put the stickers on the container thingy right there.
Yeah.
So let's put it.
So you can take any stickers you want and create it.
Look, Mom, I
Make it
put one
pretty.
sticker right there.
Okay, you got a lot more. You got a lot to choose from. You could put the LOL on it too, you know, the LOL sticker. Well, they're all LOL, but they.
I'm going to put this one right there. Look right there.
Let me see. Oh, it's so pretty. Gotta
It's
make
so
sure you stick down there.
This stick down.
Like this one.
Okay. Yeah.
You want a heart, a diamond, a crown. They got French fries. They got a cell phone. They got a microphone.
I want French fries. I want French fries.
You want French fries? Ooh, they got so many. You said French fries? French fries coming right up.
Okay. The French fries don't come.
Yeah, that's all these they got. Camera, heart, cell phone, crown, diamonds. Oh, they even got a guitar too. That's cool.
Now we're going to do a melty flavor lip gloss.
So we repeat the same step that we did to make the first one. And now we're gonna do a next one with pink.
Yeah.
So first you put the lip gloss base in that one.
Yeah.
And then you put 3 to 5 drops. Go ahead, Emma, squeeze it.
I can't squeeze it by myself.
Okay, I think that's enough. That's it, Emma. You want it too red.
I'm going to mix it
Yeah, mix
up.
it. So then you mix it. And after you mix it, you're gonna add it to the blue one.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it on this one. Wait, Emma. Put it on.
This is going to be cool. This is going to be cool, guys. It's going to be a rainbow.
I think we should have did some more.
Just put it in. Just put it, yeah. Put it like that. Put it like that.
Can't even see the pink.
But guys, we make it, so I got to put it on my lip
To see if it changed color.
to see it's change color. Let's put it.
Smoosh your lip like that. Really, Emma?
Put blue too on it. And it turned purple.
Yeah, it's changed to purple, guys.
Yeah.
And it's so soft and smooth on your lips.
Yeah.
I mean, you like it? Yeah, you got LOL lip gloss. So when you finish with your lip gloss, you close it. So then you close it and then you put on your stickers and make it look pretty. And that's your LOL lip gloss.
Yeah.
Let's see them lips. Come closer. Ooh, those lips are popping.
I got to go closer. Even closer.
Emma, did you enjoy doing this?
Yeah, I did enjoy doing it.
Yeah. Guys, I got some on too. My lips feel nice. So guys, this is how we decorate it. It's so pretty.
Guys, comment down below. Let us know you make lip balm.
Yes, guys. Comment down below and let us know if you ever done this set before, the lip gloss set.
Yeah. Bye. Hope you like this video. Big thumbs up and subscribe.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Google Plus, and Facebook.
Guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell
to get all the notifications to follow my videos.
We love you and we